Welcome to the Learning Ada. A heart that trusted too much. In a quiet village surrounded by tall, green hills, there lived a young boy named Sam. Sam was known for his warm heart and open mind, always believing the best in others. He thought everyone was as honest and kind as he was, so he trusted people without hesitation. One day, a stranger arrived in the village. He was a tall man with a charming smile and twinkling eyes that seemed to hide no secrets. The stranger introduced himself as Jack and told the villagers that he was a traveler seeking a place to rest for a few days. The villagers, being generous and welcoming, offered Jack food and shelter. Sam, who loved meeting new people, was especially drawn to Jack. He was fascinated by the stories Jack shared about faraway lands, bustling cities, and mysterious mountains. Sam had never left his village, so these tales filled his mind with wonder and excitement. One evening, as Sam and Jack sat together by the warm glow of the fire, Jack leaned in and spoke softly. Sam, you have a good heart, but there's something you must know. Not everyone in this world is trustworthy. Sam was confused. But Jack, you seem trustworthy. You've been nothing but kind to me and everyone here. Jack smiled, but there was a shadow behind his eyes that made Sam uneasy. Remember what I said, Sam? Sometimes, the ones who seem the most trustworthy are the ones you should be most careful with. The next morning, Jack took Sam aside and whispered to him about a hidden treasure in the deep forest. If you find it, you'll never have to worry about anything again, Jack said. But you must keep this a secret. If anyone else finds out, they might try to take it from you. Sam's eyes lit up at the thought of finding treasure. He dreamed of using it to help his family and the people in his village. Trusting Jack completely, he decided to follow the map Jack gave him and set off into the forest alone. After a long and tiring journey, Sam finally reached the spot marked on the map. He dug into the ground and was overjoyed to discover a small box filled with gold coins. His heart pounded with excitement. He had never seen so much wealth in his life. But as he turned to leave, he noticed Jack standing nearby, watching him with a strange look on his face. Jack! Look, I found the treasure! Sam called out, expecting Jack to share in his happiness. Instead, Jack's expression turned cold. He walked over to Sam and said, Sam, I told you to keep it a secret. Now that I know you have the treasure, I must take it from you. Sam was stunned. But Jack, you were the one who told me about the treasure. I thought we were friends. Jack's laughter was harsh and unkind. You're too trusting, Sam. The world is full of people who will take advantage of that. You should have been more careful. Before Sam could say another word, Jack snatched the box of gold and disappeared into the forest, leaving Sam standing there, heartbroken and betrayed. Sam realized too late that Jack had never been a true friend. He had only used Sam to get what he wanted. Sam returned to the village with a heavy heart and empty hands. He had learned a painful lesson: not everyone deserves your trust, and sometimes, the people you think are your friends can turn out to be the ones who hurt you the most. From that day on, Sam was more careful with whom he trusted. He understood that while it's good to be kind, it's also important to protect your heart from those who might take advantage of it. Sam shared his story with the other villagers, warning them to be cautious with strangers who seem too good to be true. The villagers listened and thanked Sam for his wisdom. They promised to be more careful in the future, understanding that trust is precious and should not be given lightly. Sam never forgot this lesson and carried it with him for the rest of his life, living with a heart that was still kind but also wise. Thank you for the watching.